Salam salam, this is Unity and I'm here to show you all another Unity Afrocentric design, trace stencil. What we're going to do is do the fist. Now this is something I want to show y'all. I cut this out. This is the one I'm using. Y'all's won't come like this. This happened when I was printing it. It smeared. So when y'all get them, that it won't be like this. That's just happened. But this is my stencil that I'm using. I want to show y'all this. Okay, this is a 2-inch wood piece right here. So a lot of times, like say you want a fist and you got this wood and then your stencil is probably this big. It's this big and it don't fit on here. You can take it down right there. You can take it up a little. So you can mess with it. Another thing is people don't realize that earrings have a direction. And a lot of times, even when we're dealing with like Africa, everybody wanted to go this particular way with a point going that way. But when you put it on your body, it's going to look the opposite way. So it's best when you create in the Africa earrings, which we're going to get to this stencil. You take one and you flip it. Okay, so for instance, which I'm going to show y'all. This is one. This could be a necklace. This could be some earrings, whatever. But so we're going to have it this way. So if it's earrings, so you do that one like this. Then you take the stencil and you flip it. You flip it like that. So when you do the earrings, when they on your ear, they won't look kind of backwards. But some people, you know, you still have that option if you want to just do both. Going that way, you can do both going that way. What I'm going to do, since I already did a couple of these right here because I'm getting ready for some festivals, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just do both this way. And then I'll show y'all the other ones once I finish. Let me get a piece of carbon paper, which we'll use the same piece of carbon paper that I used when we created the African drums. Thank you all that has supported the African drum stencil. The African drum stencil is $20 plus $3.50 for shipping. It's not going to be listed on either of my websites. Send $23.50 to my Cash App or my PayPal. If you don't feel comfortable doing it that way, you can email me and I will send you a payment invoice and you can do it that way. If you do purchase from Cash App, please email me your mailing address, okay? If you pay through PayPal, PayPal will send the address if you have a PayPal account. Let's start on this fist. Like in all the videos that I'm showing y'all, I'm going to take it up. We're going to take this one a little down because I'm using this size wood. You know what? I'm just going to use the Stylus tool because it works really, really good with my stencils. So we're going to go around. And then it's going to stop right there because we don't have no more room. And then there we go. Bam. So it looked like that. But once, take your time when you're doing this. I already know how to draw so I could go in and fix it. So take your time. With this one, let me take a little more time so we can get it close to the stencil. Let's start right there since my finger there. Then I'm going to go around here. And then it's going to stop right there. And then I'm going to bring it right here. And you can go over it once or twice to make sure that it's going through. Make sure you press a little hard. Put this one down a little bit. So y'all see that? The fist is a little further down, which I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to make this one like that one too. So you just fill out and just look at it. Take your time when you trace it so it could come out clean. So stop right there. And like I say, go over it sometimes twice to make sure your image has went through. All right, so there we go. This one a little bigger, but it'll be fine. Let me get the painting, y'all. So I got my paint here. I'm gonna outline this in black. And I'm gonna show y'all something. Okay, with the stencils, y'all get creative. Put your own fingerprint on your creations. Another thing is be really careful about going online, taking images. If you look up free images, that's fine. But if you go online and you look up images, be really careful with that, because two reasons: you can get sued, and another reason is the internet is being saturated with so many designs that look so similar. Everybody doing the same thing. Consumers don't really, they be like, oh, okay, let me get these because these pop. Everything look the same. So put your own fingerprints. Do something crazy. Make a fist that's purple. Make a fist that's multicolor. Make a fist with mud cloth in the middle. You know, get creative with your designs. And even with this, you see with the stencil, it didn't have, but see, even with this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring these down a little bit. And you can even put a nail right here if you want to. So you can get really, really creative with your work. Since the fist is a little low, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a line right here. She got, well, we'll make it a girl fist. They have a little, we'll put like a little bracelet or something right there. So we're going to go over here to this one. So get really creative, but be really careful about getting images offline, because it's a lot of people that's not playing with their art like me. And that's one of the main reasons why I created the stencils. As y'all know, people have been stealing my art. You can find my art in places that I haven't put it, as far as beauty supply stores, AliExpress, Etsy, and all that, Amazon. But I do get a lot of my art taken down. Praise be to the universe. Praise be to the God in me, and praise be to my ancestors. But it's a continuous fight that I have to consistently do. And it's interesting how people get mad at me for fighting for my art. It's just weird. Like, and it's crazy. If it was affecting their sales and their incomes, they would fight for it too. You know what? I'm gonna go in a little bit and just make these a little wider. So when you're doing your stencils, just make sure that you take your time with tracing. See, me, I could go in and clean it up. But, you know, a lot of people just learning how to draw. Just make sure you take your time. That's one of the main reasons why I created the stencils, is because it gives people that really want to learn art. Because the more you trace, the better you start. You'll start just drawing after a while. And I'm the only one, as I know, that sells trace stencils. I'm pretty sure more people are going to start making them. You know, but I can't say I'm the innovator of Afrocentric hand-painted earrings and Afrocentric trace stencils. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just cleaning everything up. Alright. These are so cute. I think when I put the hooks on it, I'm going to turn them that way. Or that way. I put the hook like there. I don't know, I want them to kind of be that way. I'm going to paint this, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all what all I created. Remember, if you want to purchase this design, you can look at the information in the description box. If you want to purchase the drum design by itself, you can look for both of them. Both of these are the same price, $23, and that includes shipping, $23.50. And if you just want to purchase this whole stencil, which is more reasonable, you can go to Knoirdesigns.com. I got probably 3 over there left. So y'all go over there. Y'all can create without saying someone saying you stole my designs. So you got Unity. You got this beautiful queen right here. I can't wait to do her. You got the Black Power Fist. You got the drum. You got Africa. You got the Sankofa. You got G Naime. You got the Yin Yang. You got an Ankh. You got the beautiful, I think I call her Somalian, the Sudanese woman. You got this elegant queen. You got the Ankh. You got the word queen. You got a Kemetic woman. Or she could even be Hebrew. Whatever you want her to be. And then you got the like a King Tut version stencil. And then you got this beautiful sister right here holding a basket. So you got 15 stencils, and you know most stencils are $20 to $25. If you go see the price over on the website, you'll see how reasonable you will get the whole sheet for. All right, so I'm gonna be back and I'll show y'all exactly what I did to these and some other designs I made. Okay, fam, I'm back. So this is what I came up with. I have so many more designs in my head, like I always say every time I do a stencil. Because when I create the stencils, I don't think about like I'm drawing art for myself. I think about creating the stencils for y'all. So using them, I'm coming up with crazy designs in my head. Yeah, so these some cool little designs. And then with this one, I just put some glitter around. I painted the nail, gave it some beads. It's just really, really cute. So all these right here will be on my Knoirdesigns.com page. If you want to purchase this stencil, the information will be in the description box. If you want to purchase the whole stencil sheet, it will be on Knoirdesigns.com. Get creative. Be the best you can be when you creating this dope art. Put your fingerprint on your art. So thank y'all for watching this. Salam, salam.